You can't make up your mind, please don't waste my time. I'm not trying to rewind, oh yeah. I wish our hearts could come together as one.
One video uploading, one video compressing, and one video exporting. Hello everyone, welcome to day one. I'm in my favourite car at the moment. I'm extremely jealous of Kennedy's car because this is the car that I want when I get a new one, which is, what is it? It's an Audi A1, isn't it?
Audi A1, yeah.
Kitted out to the max.
Mine is not kitted out.
You've got a private plate with your initials on, of course it's kitted out. So we've just been to a little, what's it called? It's like a, it's not an ice cream parlor. Well, it is an ice cream parlour, isn't it?
Because it's that Tamar,
yeah.
Or however you say
We've been to like a
little farm thing.
Yeah, a little farm shop, that was it. Went for a sandwich and a ketchup.
And it actually took us like a good hour to eat that.
It did take, yeah, you were eating that sandwich very slowly and carefully, just in case you didn't want to choke on the seams on the bun. So yeah, today's already got off to a flying start, and I think this afternoon I've got to go and pick Nana up, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'll have to give her a call. Sweet. Bye, Kennedy.
Bye.
Sorted. Let's roll out. So Kennedy was a friend of mine from school who I hadn't seen properly, like for more than a prolonged period of an hour for probably since I left school. So it was really nice to go and catch up with her. This afternoon I've got to go and think I'm going to Nana's because I'm going to uni obviously Sunday, and because I'm going away on Sunday, she probably wants to see me before I go away. I think she's making me some kind of tea or something. So I think Mansfield is the next journey out, I believe. I'm just going to leave my house now, so I'll be about half an hour, yeah? Bye.
I want you to take me to Tesco's when you get here.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so I had to come home just after because I needed to get some of my videos sent off. I did a few this morning, and I was up at 3 this morning, editing them and sending them off. So I'm basically just trying to get all my video work done so that I don't have anybody waiting for videos, you see, because I don't want to go to university. I want to go to university with a fresh slate. But now I've got to go and pick my liability up, and we all know what that means. Hello.
Hi.
You alright? Have you got your thing so we can just do Tesco now as well? We may as well do Tesco as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Just let me check I've got my purse, yes.
Just pop this up here.
Yeah, I'll just put it on.
Yeah, okay, I won't put it on.
Friday.
That's what you need.
Whee! It's my next door neighbour. He loves it.
Yeah, I'm sure he does. Wicked.
Hello.
Do you know everyone round here or something?
Yeah.
Can't hazard a guess as what you're about to do when we hit this hill.
Whee!
No, we're not down the hill yet. There you go. Right. What if I don't put my brakes on that? I'm not going to brake. I'm not going to brake.
Go.
I'm not going to brake. I'm not going to.
You
You need that? What's that for?
in the garden.
For what reason though?
I got one yesterday. No, I got one in the room. Just let me tell the man something. You know these headers? Have you seen how dry they are? They don't want water.
They do need the water.
I got one 2 days ago and it was like that.
Has it died? Did it die?
No, because I planted
Well,
it.
it's fine, isn't it?
I planted it now, isn't it good? He's going to see to it now.
He probably won't.
He will, he's spinning along.
No worries. Why you can't be in control of a vehicle. No. That's why you can't be in control of a motor vehicle.
It's alright.
Tell everyone where we are and what we're doing. Go.
We're in Tesco's and we're shopping, and Elliot's not helping me.
No, no. Don't know what to get to eat, you see, that's the problem. Right, let's go.
Well, my plan for today,
Oh yeah.
I'm going to ask for discount on that.
No, you're not. If you ask for a discount off that, I will not be happy. What have you bought that for?
Because I make cakes with it.
You make cakes with a courgette?
Yes.
That's weird. Hello, you alright?
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, not too bad. Tesco's explored. Dinner gathered. Yay! So, done even. See you later. I'll leave you watching my video, yeah?
Yeah.
Bye, have a good evening. Wave, bye, say bye to everyone, all your fans. You've got loads of fans, you know. Send your fans a message because they all want to hear from you.
Hi, you're all great. Thanks for watching. Elliot's been brilliant. He's taken me shopping.
Yeah.
Yes, I miss him when he goes.
Yeah.
No.
No, that's it, thanks. See you later, Nana.
Okay.
Bye.
Everybody wants some blast of magic, 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 oh, I got the magic in me.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to... Chill. Welcome to day 2. Today's gonna be a fun day.
All I can see is chaos and confusion and panic.
Preliminary tests indicate
Future. That's right.
I shall do my best to
Attempt to stimulate the conscious.
So today, we've just bought a new log burner, which we're putting in our lounge, and this is like all of our land that we've got, and all these like woods and things. So we're coming today with a trailer to, well, cut some trees down. We've also brought a clay trap, which is, it shoots like little clay discs, and then you shoot at the discs. It's like skeet shooting you see at the Olympics. So we're going to do a few of that as well. And the weather's really nice today, so it's a bonus.
Tell me, how in the world you get all those things done?
difficult, but not impossible.
This is I've got a hole in my trousers, so just ignore that. This is a clay trap. So what you do is you pull it back, you load a disc into it, pull it back like that, and then once everyone's happy and stuff, you let go, release it, and it shoots a disc off into the sky. Pretty cool.
The love for the music, sing it. L-I-N-G-U-I-S-T-I-C-S, snap your neck if you get me. And if you want more, swing, yes please, doing what I do best, so don't test me. L-I-N-G-U-I-S-T-I-C-S, snap your neck if you get me. And if you want more, swing, yes please, doing what I do best, so don't test me. L-I-N-G-U-I-S-T-I-C-S, snap your neck if you get me. And if you want more, swing, yes please, doing what I do best, so don't test me. L-I-N-G-U-I-S-T-I-C-S, snap your neck if you get me. And if you want more, swing, yes please, doing what I do best, so don't test me.
Now all I can see is chaos and confusion and panic.
Preliminary tests indicate
Scout future. That's
I
right.
shall do my best.
Attempt to stimulate the consciousness.
Tell me, how in the world you get
27 shots.
Really? Probably about 27 shots, about 4 hit. Wood collected, house heated, sorted. Let's go for some food. I am hungry. Now it's time for a GoPro meal, which will be lovely. What's these? What's these? What's these? Oh yeah.
I mean, stuff like
Wait, so you got breathalyzers? Bye, Alice. Au revoir.